Hello, dear hungry foodies. Pizza-Baguette, super delicious and here with tuna. However, you can swap out the ingredients to suit your personal taste. We will be gathering fresh basil, delightful grated cheese like Gouda, lovely pitted olives, I'll be using green ones naturally, and juicy tuna packed in its own juice, properly drained. Also, this paprika paste comes in different varieties. I prefer the mild one, but that's just a matter of preference. We need tomatoes, pepper, salt, and pizza seasoning. If you can't find that, just mix equal parts of thyme, rosemary, oregano, and basil. Feel free to omit the basil from our mixture, as we're already using fresh basil, which is more than enough to enhance the flavor. And we'll need a baguette, or alternatively, ciabatta. Let's start with the preparations. Dice the washed tomatoes. And chop the pitted olives into small pieces. Now, take the baguette and using a sharp bread knife, slice it horizontally in half. Then scoop out some of the breadcrumb from the inside. You can use a spoon or even a melon baller, which, by the way, I found works perfectly for this job. Now, when you scoop, remove about this much. And remember, don't throw that scooped out bread away. It can be used later. Then, do the same with the other half as well. Now, let's dive into preparing the delicious topping or filling for our pizza baguette. First, add some fresh diced tomatoes to a mixing bowl. Now, don't forget to toss in the chopped olives and the drained tuna to enhance the dish's taste. You can even add some of the scooped out breadcrumb from the baguette into the mix. This is optional. It's such a fantastic way to use up any extra bread you might have. And sprinkle the pizza seasoning over it. Make sure to season generously with pepper and salt. Now mix everything thoroughly using salad servers or 2 spoons. Back to the hollowed out baguette halves. Brush the inside with egg white, as much or as little as you like. Since I'm using the mild variety, I can be quite generous with it. Place the baguette halves on a baking sheet or a grill rack. Now fill the hollowed baguette halves with the prepared filling. And don't hold back, be generous. Then sprinkle everything generously with grated cheese. And now into the oven it goes. Bake it for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius fan or 160. And here's how our pizza baguettes look when done. Optionally, I recommend sprinkling a bit more pizza seasoning over them. Then cut the baguette halves into small pieces. It's best to use the bread knife for this again. To serve, garnish with a few basil leaves, and then we can enjoy these delicious bites. They taste amazing and, as mentioned, can also be adapted to your taste, for instance, replacing tuna with salami or olives with onions, right? Yes, feel free to go vegetarian. Your creativity knows no bounds. I wish you a fantastic time preparing this delicious meal and bon appetit. See you next time, bye bye.